Have you guys ever thought of what it is that's getting all these other people rich in life, and that's giving all these other people the opportunities and the time and the money to be able to do everything that they're doing? Have you ever wondered why it is that you're working so hard and other people are getting so rich from all the hard work that you're doing? Well, I mean, that's life, right? That's what I used to think. That's life. I found an opportunity that has changed things around for me, where I am now my own boss of my own online business. So it just takes a simple registering on my link, just like I did on somebody else's link. You register your name and your email. You watch the 90-minute workshop where all of the information's get started on how to get you set up doing this too. It gives you the details on what we do exactly, and it will inform you on the next steps. So I was pretty skeptical. I was pretty nervous. I didn't really know what was going to be involved or what it was going to take for me, but it's pretty easy, guys. If I can do it, anyone can do it. My name is Bobbi Wright. I look forward to being able to help you, sharing this information, and giving you a little bit more of that time freedom and that financial freedom that we're all looking for. Why are you making your boss rich all the time? Why not make yourself rich? This is something that anyone can do. There's no inventory to hold. There's no selling involved. There's no obligations. All I'm doing here is sharing my link so that you can go register and you can watch the same information that got me started. 3 years ago, I was pretty broke. 3 years ago, I didn't know what I was going to do. I didn't know how I was going to get out of that situation that I was in. I was told by my boss that I was not going to be able to attend my son's graduation because I didn't have vacation days left over to be able to attend it. That's sad. I don't want anyone to miss out on those milestones for their kids anymore. Like, I missed out on so many for mine. Now I have grandkids. Now I am at their soccer games. I am taking them to school. I am doing whatever, we're having sleepovers, doing whatever it is that they need or want me to do, because I have been able to secure myself financially and time-wise. So anyways, if you guys are interested, I don't want to ramble on and waste a bunch of your time. I just want to share it. So learn more here, register your name and your email. That's all it takes, guys. There's nothing else involved in this until or unless you are ready to do it. So I look forward to hearing from you guys. And once you've registered, my automated emails will be sent to you right away. So watch for them in all your folders, and we will connect soon. Take care, guys. Cheers.